The golden lion tamarin. Tamarins are mammals. They are sensitive to sunlight, so during the hottest part of the day, they stay in dense vegetation of the rainforest. They jump through trees using their fingers to hold onto branches. Their long, narrow hands and feet and really long fingers allow them to grasp branches. They are really good at leaping from branch to branch and do it with great speed. Tamarins eat both plants and animals. That means they are omnivores. They spend a lot of their day looking for their favorite foods. These include small fruits, insects, and even small lizards and snakes. They have claws that they use to dig under bark to gather meals of insects like wild roaches. Tamarins sleep in tree cavities or crevices. Tamarins talk to each other by thrills, whines, and clucks. They utter 17 different types of vocalizations. They mark their territory, including resting areas and food resources.